Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I really enjoyed this book, A Most Agreeable Murder by Julia Seals. This book was really fun. It was easy to read and really just was a page turner. I enjoyed that there was a lot of funny parts to this book. It really made me smile and laugh throughout it because there was just a lot of silly characters and lots of wit. I appreciate the style of the writing of this book. This definitely reminded me of reading a Jane Austen novel. So the premise of the book is that our young characters are at a ball and there is a murder and they are going to solve it. There are a lot of twists and turns and the characters are so quirky that you cannot help but to be enthralled and just want to keep reading to see what happens and to see what they're going to do next. And I just really enjoyed it all the way through. So if you're looking for a fun read, I would check this one out, and that's my point of view.